Hello everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find the strawberry pufferfish in Fish It. So this is one of the most unique event fish in the Fish It Valentine's update, and I'm going to show you my secret or my favorite locations and the best bait to use so you can add this around legends to your tank. So first, for the location, this is my favorite spot. You can just go right inside the Heartfeld Island and just go right, and you can go fish in here. And I'm using the element road with the Singularity bait for the combo to get the strawberry pufferfish. You can also use the love potions if you want to and if you have one. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks button below, and I'll catch you on the next one.